How to update Windows 10, a step-by-step guide. Keeping Windows 10 up to date is crucial for your computer's security and performance. Follow these steps to ensure you are always running the latest version of Windows 10. Step 1. Open Settings. Click on the Start menu, Windows icon, in the bottom left corner of your screen. Select Settings, gear icon. Step 2. Access Update and Security. In the Settings window, scroll down and click on Update and Security. Step 3. Check for updates. In the Update and Security menu, select Windows Update from the left-hand pane. Click the Check for Updates button to see if there are any available updates. Step 4. Install updates. If updates are available, they will begin downloading automatically. Depending on the size of the updates and your internet speed, this may take some time. Once the download is complete, you may be prompted to restart your computer. Click on Restart Now to install the updates. Step 5. Confirm installation. After restarting, go back to Settings. Update and Security. Windows Update to ensure all updates have been installed. If there are more updates, repeat the process. Step 6. Set up automatic updates. Optional. To ensure your system updates automatically in the future, go to Windows Update, Advanced Options. Toggle the Automatic Updates option to On. This setting will allow Windows to download and install updates automatically. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Windows 10 device is always up to date with the latest features, security patches, and improvements. Regular updates help maintain your system's stability and performance, keeping it running smoothly and securely.